Some people claim that new AI video tools are killing our human creativity, but I completely disagree with that take. In fact, I believe these tools are actually supercharging our ability to create and express ourselves like never before. Before, if you wanted to visualize a wild idea, you needed a studio, expensive actors, lighting crews, and maybe a small fortune in CGI. Now, a good prompt and a few strategic clicks can bring almost any vivid idea in your head to life. The tricky part is not the tech itself, but navigating the chaos of tools and mastering the craft of prompting. Most folks try a tool, get a mediocre result, and then give up. But only a tiny fraction actually unlocks the real workflow. Today, I want to walk you through a clean, step-by-step process I use to turn ideas into cinematic short films. I'll show you how to generate background films and then use Vizard to do the heavy lifting for social distribution. There are 3 big stages in my process. First, prompt your scenes to nail the concept, then generate the assets, and finally, enhance and publish. Master these 3 stages and you can crank out pro-looking AI videos without sinking a fortune into gear. Step 1 is getting your story clear, so before you type a single prompt, write down your core story beats. Keep it simple by defining who is in the scene, what the specific moment is, and the tone you want to capture. For my test project, I kept it to an old library scene with a young man reading and an observer watching from afar. 2 main characters and a handful of narrative beats are really all you need to get started. Next, you need to craft short, usable character prompts that describe the age, style, mood, and one defining detail. If you ever get stuck, just run your rough description into a chat model and ask for compact, image-ready prompts. I did exactly that, gave a plain description, asked for tight prompts, and used them to generate consistent reference images. Then you move to scene prompts, where you treat each frame like a mini painting, describing position, lighting, and camera ideas. A quiet library with warm late afternoon sunlight and a young man reading is the kind of description that gives the model everything. When you want visual continuity, always upload your character images as references so the AI keeps faces and outfits consistent. This is where many creators get frustrated, because the first result is rarely perfect, so you must be prepared to tweak your phrasing. If a composition feels off, try rephrasing the camera angle or the distance of the characters until it looks right. Small changes to your prompt, like asking for a soft focus on an observer, can lead to massive improvements in your visual output. After you have your consistent images, move on to image-to-video tools to add life with subtle camera moves or parallax. When writing prompts for this stage, explicitly tell the model how the frame should move, like a slow dolly-in or a gentle tilt. Little camera movements add tons of cinematic polish that make your generated assets feel like professional film. Sound design really matters, so don't let your quiet library scene feel flat. Add ambient layers like paper rustling or a clock ticking. I used built-in effects features to add background sounds like clock ticks, which really sold the atmosphere. Now you have a handful of short video clips, but the biggest mistake is manually editing them for every single social platform. That is where Vizard becomes a game changer, because it isn't just about generating images, it's about the social distribution of your work. Instead of manually scrubbing through footage to guess what might work, Vizard analyzes your timeline to find high-energy moments. It is essentially like having a professional editor who understands current social trends and suggests multiple versions for your platforms. You still review and tweak the output, but the time you save by not having to manually chop your videos is massive. Consistency is key, so rather than exporting clips and forgetting to post them, use Vizard's auto-schedule feature. Set your posting frequency and platforms, and let the AI cue those clips at the optimal times for your audience. This low-effort consistency is the real secret sauce for growing an audience because it automates the tedious parts of the process. Creators often underestimate how much time they waste planning posts. so automating that while keeping creative control is huge. Then there is the content calendar, a single dashboard where you can see what is scheduled and swap clips or tweak captions. The centralized workflow is exactly what separates creators who post steadily from those who post randomly and wonder why nothing sticks. Many tools out there are fantastic at generating content, but they don't help you slice that content into viral snippets or publish them. Vizard fills that exact gap by taking your long-form output and turning it into consistent, platform-ready content very fast. My practical flow is simple. Generate the assets, add a sound bed, and upload the full sequence into Vizard. Vizard scans everything, spits out a batch of short, tailored clips, and schedules them for me across my social channels. I just tweak the thumbnails and captions, hit publish, and from there I monitor performance and swap out any underperforming clips. A lot of creators think they either must be full-time editors or give up on posting regularly, but that is simply not true anymore. With the creative freedom of generation tools combined with the distribution power of Vizard, you can imagine something wild and actually make it. The secret is combining generation and distribution because while pretty visuals are great, consistent delivery is what builds momentum. So, if you are trying to get into AI filmmaking, practice these 3 steps. Prompt carefully, generate consistently, and use an editor for distribution. Don't get hung up on perfection at the first pass. Iterate, use references for continuity, and add movement to your prompts. When you are ready to get those clips in front of people, let an auto editor do the heavy lifting so you can focus on the ideas. Alright, that is the workflow, and if you take away one thing, it is that creativity isn't dead, it is just changing. The new skill is orchestration, using generation tools to create and smart platforms like Vizard to distribute. Nail those steps, and you will be turning thought sparks into viral clips before breakfast. I will see you in the next one.